our lunch for today's video. Isa tayo di bawang and sibuyas. Yan, gisa-gisa lang guys. After mag-gisa ng bawang sibuyas, lagay natin yung chicken and then lagyan ng konting tubig. That's it. And then I put tomato paste and then tomato sauce. Ayan. Now we can put the vegetables. There you go. So this is it. Our chicken afritada. Yan. Mashallah. That's it. This is our lunch for today's video. This is our chicken afritada. May kayo, maantayan. Sisida tayo dito.